Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate UX testing with user testing step by step clearly. Begin by signing into your user testing account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts on the website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a Test button to start a new project. Select the type of test you want to run, such as usability testing or concept testing. Choose your target audience based on demographics and user characteristics. Configure the test settings, including options for video recording and audio feedback. Enter the specific tasks or questions you want users to address during the test. You can also add screen recording instructions to capture users' interactions. Review the segmentation and preview the test flow to ensure everything is set correctly. Once satisfied, click on the Launch Test button to send it out to participants. User testing will begin recruiting participants that match your specified criteria. Monitor the progress of your test in real time on the dashboard. As responses come in, you'll receive notifications and can access the recorded sessions. Once the test is complete, analyze the results directly within the platform. Take notes on key findings and user feedback to identify areas for improvement. Use the insights gained to iterate on your design and enhance the user experience. Repeat the testing process as needed to continuously refine your UX strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.